Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Lynn here. So today I'm popping in to announce a subscriber giveaway. I've recently reached over 1,000 subscribers. I would like to say a big thank you to all my lovely subscribers. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. So just before I come on to my prize, I will read the rules out. Obviously, you need to be 18 and over. YouTube rules apply. My giveaway, I am opening to UK and international subscribers. I will also open it up to any new subscribers, but you must have watched, liked and commented on at least 4 of my videos. Could I also ask if you could do a VR and share on your social media? I am leaving my giveaway open until Monday, the 30th of June. And if you would like to be entered into the giveaway, obviously leave me a comment, like my video, and also pop in the comment section enter me. So I will go on to my prize. So first of all, I've got this 4-pack of a baker's twine. You get 8 meters, 4 different colours: black and white, red and white, lemon and white, and pink and white. And you could possibly reuse this lovely little net bag. I'm also popping a little roll of curling ribbon, which would be great to use on wrapping gifts and stuff. I'll just go on to my little dies. I've got a mini metal die that makes these cute little flowers. I've also got this 3 die disco outline set from Sassy Crafting. I've got these embossing folders by Leonie Pujo, and there are 4 in the pack. Also going to pop in these Adventures in Ink Cake and Cocktail A5 stamp set, and you get 14 stamps in the set. Then there are these tie-dye 48 sheets of papers. I'm also popping in this 50 sheet design pad, really pretty pastel colours in there. I've got a pack of wood butterflies. There are 2 rolls of celebration ribbon. So this one has got little pretty balloons, and then we've got this one. It does say something on there, but I can't quite make out what that says. Got those. And then I have this polka dot ribbon and also this butterfly ribbon. I'm including 4 colouring in sheets. Just think colouring is a lovely way to relax. So I've got 4 colouring sheets. A sticker sheet with these lovely cute animals. There are also 6 sheets of craft card, and they are 5 by 7 inch sheets, and I've got 6 sheets of this lovely russet coloured paper. These are 5 by 7. I've got a packet with some lovely hearts. So there are different size hearts in a few colours. Pinks, some with little dainty flowers, a red one, there's a few red ones, and a couple of little hearts from craft card. I'm going to pop this card in, and you could use that. There'll be an envelope included with that. I've also, these are some little die cuts. So first of all, I've got these little bouquets of flowers and the matching butterflies, and then there are these trees and the matching butterflies with those. And I've got a couple of little pockets. So this is a vellum pocket that I've made, and also this little one with the little cute envelopes, and a little vellum one with floral paper. I've got an ATC sending mail, a thank you card that you can use, and yeah, there you go. So yeah, there is my little prize giveaway. So I'm going to leave it there, and thank you so much for supporting my channel. Good luck to everyone, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. So thank you ever so much for joining me today. I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting. Have a wonderful day. Take care. See you soon, and bye-bye for now.